Hi, let us learn about the key features of Norton Utilities Ultimate and see how to make use of these features. Norton Utilities Ultimate helps clean and repair your Windows PC or laptop, improve its processing speed, and helps browse online faster. To begin with, click Scan Now on your dashboard. This will start scanning your PC, identify and showcase various cleanup opportunities to improve the overall performance of your Windows PC or laptop. With the key features of Norton Utilities Ultimate, you can do the necessary cleanup. Processes. This feature helps to turn off programs, impacting the speed and performance of your daily tasks, from opening automatically at startup. To begin with, click Manage Programs on the main menu and click Rescan. From the list, identify the processes that have high or medium impact and turn off the processes switch. These startup programs and processes can no longer run in the background. System junk. This feature helps to get rid of system junk, the obsolete and useless files generated by your Windows system, and even those pesky leftover files that remain after you uninstall an app. Click Clean Junk on the main menu. Click Rescan and wait for the scan to be completed. To clean up your disk, choose the cleaning mode. Click Clean. When cleaning is complete, click Back to Dashboard. Follow the same procedure for broken registry keys and broken shortcuts. Uninstall Simulator and Uninstaller. Click Manage Programs on the main menu. Choose Uninstaller Simulator. You can isolate a program without uninstalling it. Click Simulate next to a program. Now the program is isolated. You can follow the same for other programs and measure the impact the program had on your computer's performance and act accordingly. To uninstall a program completely, click the trash can icon and then click Uninstall. To restore an isolated program, click Restore. Choose Uninstaller. You can also uninstall a program easily by clicking Uninstall next to a program. Click Uninstall again to confirm and begin the uninstallation. Data recovery. This feature helps you retrieve lost, damaged, or corrupted files by searching the internal or external hard drive that you choose. Click Manage Data on the main menu. To begin with, click Scan Now. Use the scan filters to narrow down your scan. Click Scan. Once the scan completes, you can view the file name, type, size, and original location for each item found. Select the files that you want to recover and click Recover. Select a recovery location, preferably a location in a different drive than the drive from where the data was lost. Once selected, click Start Recovery. Click Back to Dashboard. Browser data. Your browser keeps records of where you go and what you do online. Sometimes this can be useful, but it also takes up space on your hard drive and can put your online privacy at risk. By cleaning your browser data, you make it harder for others to track your online activity. Click Clean Junk on the main menu and choose Browser Data. Click Rescan. Choose a cleaning mode. Select Basic to clean only the browser cache and tracking cookies. Select Full to clean all categories of browser data. Select Custom to customize your preferences. Click Clean. Click Continue to close the listed browsers. Click Back to Dashboard. By clicking Settings on the main menu and then choosing the Browser Data tab, you can do the browser data settings. Cloud Cleaner. Clean up your cloud drive by removing duplicate, large, and old files. Take control of your cloud drive and reclaim valuable space easily and fast. Click Clean Junk on the main menu and choose Cloud Cleaner. Click Rescan. Choose one of the cloud storages by clicking Connect next to it. Sign into the account and click Start Scan. Click Review to review the files. Choose the files to remove and click Remove. Click Remove Files to confirm. Apart from these key features, there are additional features available which you can explore and make use of. You can extend your Norton protection to another computer, smartphone, or tablet. Click Add Device in the home screen. Send a download link via email or text message, copy and send the link, or scan the QR code given to download and install the Norton app. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.